Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to showcase our working room for H-type fin press machine and C-type fin press machine. So follow me. So here is our working room for fin press machine here. Here H-type fin press machine. Finished assembling and coming to testing. And here is our C-type fin press machine with CFP 65 with 2.2 meter step length. This machine we will deliver to South Korea. Here you will see several H-type fin press machine with model KFP 63. This is the finished stand testing the fins. The fin size is 5.2. This one we will deliver to the UAE market. The stacker using the double station rotation system. The fin size is for the 7.0 millimeter with a center hole distance 21 and the low distance is 18.19. This is aluminum foil. Machine using the civil pro structure pro system. Okay. This one is our H-type KFP 125 model. The aluminum foil wise can be 1050 millimeter. This is our H-type fin press basement metal. Main body of our H-type fin press machine is using casting material. It's not a welding. And here are our modified area. Now you will see we have helped customer to modify and upgrade the OAK brand fin press machine here.